And my name is Josh, and this is Chase.
And here's our 5 favorite features on the lot. Alright, so our first favorite feature is Pro Trailer Hitch Assist. This one's nice because you can do it just one touch of a button. You can do it all by yourself and you don't need any help. And go check that link in our bio so that way you can see a little bit more information on this feature.
Another feature I like on the lot is massage seats. It makes for a pleasant driving experience. You can adjust the intensity and the location. It feels good.
So the next thing we'd like to talk about is your door keypad code. First off, it's Ford patented, so you can only get this from the manufacturer if you do buy Ford. Second off, you can leave your keys in your rig and still get access to it by just using this key code here by unlocking it. And say a hot sunny day, you want to run into the grocery store real quick, but you don't want your rig to get hot. You can leave your keys in there running, lock it from the outside. That way when you're finished, it's nice and cool for you ready to drive.
Another feature I like on the lot is exhaust modes. It sounds cool. You can change the sound by the press of a button. And did I say it sounds cool?
Alright, so the next feature we'd like to talk about is adaptive cruise. First thing is it matches the speed of the vehicle in front of you. You can control the distance that you want to be behind the vehicle in front of you. And it also comes with lane centering to keep you in the center of the lane as you're driving. Again, my name is Chase Gerard and this is Josh here at Jess Ford in Grand Coulee. Thanks for checking out our 5 favorite features on the lot. Tune in next time.
I told you I was not listening. I was really thinking about something else.
I just am trying to get bloopers.
The best part is you're gonna get it wrong right away. That's
Yes,
the worst
I
part.
am.
I mean, there's no.